So I'm going to show you how you can change the default paragraph font in Google Docs. So basically, by default, Google Docs is using Arial as the default font for the paragraph. And if you don't want to use that and you want to use something else every time you start a new document, then here's how you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is to create a blank document. You actually can use any other document, but I highly recommend to just start with a blank document. So click on that. Okay, now after that you can start typing some text. It could be anything, it could be just a random text, like I'm going to do just that, it doesn't matter. So right now the default font is Open Sans, that's actually the one that I set. So let's say I want to use something else, I want to use Roboto. I'm going to select this text and then I'm going to select Roboto. You can select any thickness, the level of thickness of the font. It's up to you, but I think I'm going to select normal and then go to the format menu. By the way, you can actually change almost anything. You can change the size, you can change the bold, underline, you can apply color. It's totally up to you, but just for a quick demonstration, I'm going to just changing the font type. So I want to set it to be Roboto. After that, go to format, under paragraph and styles, go to normal text and click update normal text to match. Okay, now after that, go to the format menu again, go to paragraph and styles, and then go to options, click save as my default styles. So basically this is going to be the default paragraph, the default font for a paragraph. Now the default paragraph should be using Roboto from now on. Let's start a new document. Click new and click document. Just to confirm that, we can type anything and yeah, it's actually Roboto. Now it's the new default font for every document I'm going to create in Google Docs. So yeah, that's how you can change the default paragraph font in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.